Can we see the... What? Are you serious? This can't be real. Okay. Okay, braid out. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Support a Small Black-Owned Business series. So excited about this series. I will be showcasing 10 small Black-owned businesses that you should support. Stay tuned. Okay, and in today's video, I am going to be showcasing Neges Banda. The two products that I am using are the Curling Glaze Flaxseed and Marshmallow Root, and also the Chebe 2-in-1 Hair Cream. So the Chebe 2-in-1 Hair Cream is a mixture that combines the power of a leave-in conditioner and a twisting cream. It also helps with maximum hydration and softens the hair. And the key ingredients are Chebe butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, flaxseed, garlic, horsetail, ginger, rosemary, lemongrass, cassia, fenugreek, lavender, peppermint, and essential oils. And the directions say apply on damp hair to moisturize. This product, I've already used it, as you can see, on the back portion of my hair. Can't think of the smell. Doesn't really have that much of a smell, but it's very creamy in consistency and it is very moisturizing. So definitely you could use this as a leave-in conditioner or a styler. Now this Curling Glaze Flaxseed plus Marshmallow Root, she's thick, very thick, and a little goes a long way. So it's very creamy, but it's a thick cream. And when I say a little goes a long way, a little goes a long way. So both of them, they don't really have a smell. I don't know, it kind of just, the word that comes to mind is just a clean smell. So I would say both have a clean smell. This is my first time using any products from Neges Banda. First time using these two, and so far, first impressions, I'm impressed. What I'm even more impressed about is the style that I'm doing today is a braid out. So I am team twist out for sure, but I decided to try something new. So I'm doing my first braid out. So excited about that. So let's get right into it. Right, so I am working on damp hair. I have sectioned off the next part that I'm going to be braiding. So I'm starting out with the Chebe 2-in-1 Hair Cream. So I'm using this as my leave-in conditioner and moisturizer. Again, this product is very creamy, nice lightweight product. So I'm just going to distribute this throughout my strands. And then go in and detangle a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to go in with the Curling Glaze Flaxseed and Marshmallow Root. To section this piece off a little less, and I'm going to add the Curling Glaze to this small section. And again, a little goes a long way, so I'm using about this much for this section. Again, she's thick. And And then I'm going to split this section in half. Go in with my rat tail comb just to make sure that this section is completely detangled. Now again, this is my first time doing a braid out. Not that good at braiding, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So we're splitting our hair into 3 sections, making sure that those sections are even, and then we're just crossing the sections over each other. And again, I'm still getting the hang of braiding and feeling comfortable with how my hands are moving. But I must say, if this turns out right, probably going to be doing a lot more braid outs, because from what I have seen, they do give maximum definition. So I'm braiding all the way to the end and then just twirling the end around my finger, just like I would do with a regular twist out. And then we're going to move on to the next section. Again, detangle, split the hair into 3 even sections, and braid all the way down. And I could definitely say that braiding definitely elongates your hair, because if these were twists, they would be much shorter. Again, we get to the ends, swirl it around, and that's it. And these ends do look straight now, and that's what the curling custard does, but it will curl up like these other ones have done. So let's continue braiding. Okay, so I have finished braiding that section, and I'm gonna complete the rest off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so my hair is all braided up. Probably could have done the sections a little larger, but again, this is my first braid out, so I wasn't really sure. But I'm definitely excited to see the results. I'm definitely hyped about the length that the braids are giving me. Give you a quick 360 or 180. So I am going to sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. Hopefully the braids will be dry. If not, I'm just going to let them air dry the rest of the way, and then I'll be back for the takedown. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are the next day, ready for the takedown. My twists are twists. So used to doing twists. My braids are dry. So let's get into this takedown. So I'm gonna add a little oil to my hands just to prevent any unnecessary frizzing. Let's get into it. So unlike twist, I have to separate all 3 pieces. So I am definitely going my time. I'm gonna try to pull it, but I don't want to mess anything up. And I'm really hoping that this style comes out cute so that I can do more braid outs. All right, we almost got the first braid loose. And here is what we are working with. Okay, let's keep going. Definitely see the definition. Next time I'm definitely going to do them bigger. But so far so good. Feels soft and moisturized. Right, 2 braids down. We're gonna speed this up. Okay, so 1/2 is done. It's looking good. Now we're gonna take down this side. Okay, finally got all of the braids taken down, and so far, so good. I will say that the takedown process was a whole lot more to it than with my twist outs, but let's see if the payoff is worth it. So I'm just going through and separating the bigger pieces like once. Can we see the, what? Are you serious? This can't be real. Okay, okay, braid out. Okay, braid out. Come on through. And this length, my twist out could never. So I definitely love the length and the definition that the braid out is giving me. She is giving what she was supposed to have given, okay? Okay, and here are my final results. Definitely loving this first braid out. I think I did a pretty good job. Definitely will be doing another braid out, but next time I will be doing it in larger sections. Again, for this braid out, I use Neges Banda's Chebe 2-in-1 hair cream and curling glaze flaxseed and marshmallow root. Make sure that you check out these products. I'll leave all of the information in the description box where you can purchase these. Hope you guys have enjoyed my first braid out video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this support a small black owned business video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.